Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Firefly to generate some AI art from simple text prompts. So if you guys didn't know, Adobe is also in the text-to-image generator AI program. Its flagship AI product, Adobe Firefly, is such a powerful tool to use to generate AI images and even edit them as well. For the purposes of this video, we're going to be showing you how Adobe Firefly can be used to turn text into images. So first things first, of course, go to Adobe Firefly website by either searching it on Google or going to the adobe.com website itself. From the homepage of the website, go ahead and click on Explore Firefly in order to see all the things that you can use Firefly for. As you can see, Firefly has so many options already and is only in beta, from AI generation to recoloring to 3D to image and even extending any image you wish. As you can see, they also have a huge list of examples to be inspired from. Now, if we scroll up all the way again and underneath the text that says, "What will you make today?" that's actually a text box, and for now, let's try giving it its first prompt. Before using Adobe Firefly though, of course, we need to either sign in with an already existing Adobe account or go through an account creation process. So go ahead and either sign in to your Google account or your Adobe account, or go ahead and create a new account. Once that's all done, just go through the usual terms of service, and there you go. You've now signed in to Adobe Firefly and can now access the slew of features it offers. So as you can see, there are so many different high-quality AI-generated images already available on Adobe Firefly. Let's generate some images of our own. So for the prompt, let's go with a dog eating grass. After putting in the prompt and clicking generate, as you can see, just like any other AI generative program, it's given us different variations of the prompt that we've asked it to. What sets Adobe Firefly apart is that on the right-hand side, you can choose a type of content, and you can change the style in real time. As you can see, by clicking on the different styles, it'll automatically change the already generated image. Feel free to use this for any prompt and any AI-generated image that you asked it to make. Now, let's go back to the homepage, and this time, from text to image, let's try the text effects option. As you can see, these are the kinds of examples that will be made if you use the text to image option. It quite literally turns your text into an image. So for example, with the prompt, we want to make the word hello, but also make it a flashy, bright, and rainbow picture. Now go ahead and click on generate, and as you can see, we now have the literal word hello, but given to us in a flashy, rainbow, and bright style. Just like the text to image option on the right hand side, in real time, you can change the different prompts that are generated with the image, the different shapes of the match, and different fonts. You can even change the background color and edit the font itself. And there we go. That really is all there is to it in using Adobe Firefly to go from text to image or literal text to image. We've now reached the end of the video. So if you enjoyed this content, leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more easy quick tutorials like this one. For any other questions or inquiries, leave a comment down below, and thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.